Hey guys, welcome back. I'm bringing you the top 5 uses for sawdust. Recently, I've been using an Alaska mill to make my own lumber. Over behind me. Anyway, if you're going to use an Alaska mill, you're going to make a shit ton of sawdust. A literal shit ton. And I'm going to tell you the top 5 things to do with it, because they're very important. You should never throw it away. It makes great lawn fertilizer. It makes great mulch for your plants, especially potted plants. Like for your fruit trees. It's great for your compost pile. It's great animal bedding. It makes great growing medium for potatoes. Wait a minute. There you go.
Come to CompletelyIrrelevant.com for more family-friendly fun and adventures and other projects and cool stuff.